passport natin, sige ano?
Ha?
Passport natin na kayo. Hindi. Video ka pa. Ay, hello po, Merry Christmas.
Hi.
Saan?
Nasaan sila? Ito na!
Ano, dadali pa yun?
Ayan, kunin mo. Hindi mabigat. Oh, hintay na naman to. Kabir. Kuyang kay kuya mo pa. Here we are again, flying again. Ito po yung mga pwedeng kainan namin habang kami ay naghihintay ng flight. Ayan po. Punta kami ng Singapore flight. Ang flight namin ay Singapore. Ayan po.
Go. Не вшивай его.
Ayan po si Isel. Pupunta kami ng Singapore.
Once again, passenger Atlanta Justin, Charlotte and Cathay Pacific flight CS19 Singapore. Please repeat the date and the month. Thank you.
Aga kaming nakarating. Nakapasok. Ilang oras pa kaming hihintayin bago kami mag-flight. Ang flight namin is 8 o'clock p.m. 8 p.m.
Tawagan nyo na lang sila. Ayan.
Ay, parang
Madilim ba? Sa YouTube ko lang ito. Siyempre, kailangan merong mga history ng mga buhay. Travel kami. Travel kami.
Meron naman akong hiya sa sakin. Kahit pa paano yan. Sabi tayo po. Aesthetic lang.
Ayan na. 40. Nakatulog kayo doon?
Hindi kami nakapasok agad. Kasi sobrang haba ng pila. Nakapasok 7 buses before Sunday.
Ano yan?
palagay lang ako. Hindi lang lang sa violet.
Iloilo, Davao.
Ay, dapat na. Ay,
Saan ka nagpunta? Davao, yung una. Tapos, nagpuhol.
Nung kasama mo sila, tariin mo.
tapos ito, apat pala.
International.
Bago man ako mag-asawa.
Di man lang tinanong ng immigration.
Ayun, dami ko pang pinrepay. Normal na yun. Hindi na ako tinanong.
Kinakabahan ka.
Inisip ko kasi kung ano mga passport ka ng dalawa na
Sanay ako dyan, kaya nga ako nag-workout eh. Hindi nga ako nabibigatan eh. Yan yung purpose nung yung pinost kong deadlift. Ganun.
Pagka sobrang bigat naman sa'yo, delikado. Dapat pala nakabend yung tuhod
Kasi
sa
para sa back yun.
Bend yung tuhod.
Pula ko nga. Ang konti pa nga nung pangalawa kong glass eh.
Actually, gusto ko namin kaso pinag-ice cream ko kasi ako agad eh.
Hindi naman kasi yung sa'yo kinain mo.
Akala ko kasi wala sa akin. Gusto ko din ng ice cream. Ito mo yung tiyan ko, halatang buso.
Ito nang ipitin si mama.
Ano ka na yun? Ano ka
Hindi
na
ako yung ube, inubos ko. Inubos ko yung ube, tsaka
Paano kayo na
kumain siya ng ano.
Yan 280.
Isipin nyo na lang, at least nakatipid tayo.
Oo, gratibid tayo. Hindi tayo gumastos sa malaki.
Doon na tayo gumastos.
Saka hindi naman ako makain masyado sa gabi.
Busog na nga ako nung kumain kami.
Nakain is.
Ano lang yun? Puro gulay na. Yung carbs ko.
Hindi pa sana ako nagtawag na.
Doon kayo nakapila.
Kayo nga, mali po yung pinipilahan.
Kakalis lang namin doon sa
Kung kayo lang
Papunta na kami doon, sabi namin.
Kaya niyo mama.
Maririnig nyo na lang.
05, ano, 617.
Dito yung na yun, dulo na yun.
1289.
Wala na kaandaan doon.
Ba't ayaw lang bumaba? Saan ang F? Dito tayo? O doon ka?
Ano ba letter kayo?
F ako.
Dito.
Ha? Saan ang F?
O dito na lang kayo dito.
Doon ka sa tabi ng bintana. Doon ka sa tabi ng bintana. Dito. Sana. Diyan ako.
Diyan ako sa dulo.
Diyan sa dulo si Isen.
Where is the... Saan yan na? 4A. At 4A. Dito kayo. 4A and 4B. Top sheet. Papa. Wala ko sila. Sa ikaduha na ang limanan. Ikaduha.
If you're seated by the emergency exits, read carefully the passenger briefing card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in case of an emergency, please ask the cabin crew to reseat you. And may we request everyone to kindly safeguard all loose items, especially hard objects such as flasks, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before stowing it in an overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution in securing your carry-on luggage and when opening the bins to prevent items from falling off. Together, tighten seatbelts by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift up, buckle, and pull free end to release. In case of a water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. Put on slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a serious offense. In case of a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you. Put the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you're advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with an emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation with the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Please straighten up your seats, fasten seatbelt securely, get window shades open, and tray tables stowed. Wise communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. This is a no-smoking flight. Use of vapes, e-cigarettes, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is also prohibited by the Philippines Civil Aviation Regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger. As a safety precaution, please refrain from charging your portable electronic devices using power banks during this time.
Welcome to Singapore Airport, Changi Airport.